In this video, I'll show you how to add home screen widgets on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. All you have to do is access an empty space on the home screen and then touch and hold the screen for a few seconds, and then from the options that appear, select widgets. Now from here you can choose a couple of widgets. You can choose the recommended widgets, which you can scroll through and find the one that you'd like. You can also select the categories and see all the categories of widgets that are currently available, or you can simply tap on discover and find other widgets that are currently available. So I'll just go to the recommended one and then scroll through and find the widget that you'd like to add. So let's say, for instance, this particular widget. Simply tap on it and then choose the style that you'd like to use. And then all you have to do is select add to home screen. So keep in mind, for some widgets you need to download them. So let me just set it up and then simply select add to home screen, and then you should see the widget has been added. Now once you're done, simply select done at the top, and there you go. You have successfully added the widget to your home screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.